That's what happened when we don't have electricity.
Is your candlestick doing good?
Yeah, they're making a candle. Your candle are not gonna be burned. Oh, go. Go, you gotta sleep, go. There is no moon. So it's too bad. There's no
It's
moon.
dark.
Yeah, it's so dark right now, you see.
There's sunlight.
We have only Christmas tree down. It's the only one give us lights. This is just all the kids doing when they get no lights, no electricity. No. You wonder what they do when there's electricity right now. They are in
Tablets.
their tablets, phone. So, that's a good idea.
Cookies TikToking.
TikToking. Kyuki will be TikToking. Nini will be TikToking. Yeah. There you go. Look at this. We just broke.